Good morning, everyone. Today we are back at Knott's Berry Farm bright and early. It is officially media day for MonteZOOma, the Forbidden Fortress. The ride opened in 1978, closed for a lengthy refurbishment in 2022, and we get to ride it officially today. So it is bright and early, like I said. The sun's not even quite up yet, but a perfect time to ride some roller coasters here at Knott's. Let's head inside. We are here at Knott's Berry Farm. It is media day for MonteZOOma, the Forbidden Fortress, and I'm so excited. We've been waiting for this. 1978 is when it opened, classic ride here, and we're ready to go.
Awkward.
Here we go! And we go backward. That was amazing. MonteZOOma, the Forbidden Fortress, here at Knott's Berry Farm. And we go backward. That was amazing. MonteZOOma, the Forbidden Fortress, here at Knott's Berry Farm. You wonder what the recording says when the train launches. It says three different things. One is "You seek gold, I seek revenge." The second one is "Come closer, closer, closer. You seek gold, I seek revenge." Third one I've got to do quickly. I already forgot what it was. "You fell for my deception, prepare to face my wrath." There you go.
You're coming back out on Tuesday, right? Okay.
right, so this is our MonteZOOma track slice from the original 1978 coaster, limited edition. We have 350, first come, first serve. They go on sale August 22nd over at the Jaguar Relief Cart near the entrance to the Jaguar attraction. It's going to be a really cool collector's item. Like I said, only 350, so get them while you can.
If you're looking to purchase a piece of that MonteZOOma track, this is the cart that you'll find it starting August 22nd. In addition to MonteZOOma opening up, they have a new restaurant too in the old Johnny Rockets location, Crafty's Kitchen. It is a chicken-themed restaurant with chicken tenders, chicken wings, 4 delicious sauces, delicious sides, desserts. We were here last Friday for the grand opening. We did a full video showing all the foods, so make sure you check that out. But let's take a little bit closer look at the menu here.
How you guys doing? Welcome to Crafty's Kitchen. We do have a display of our wonderful food that we offer there. We got some hand-dredged chicken tenders. A few of our sandwiches are hand-cut fries. You know, our wings, we have our featured boysenberry barbecue sauce, our buffalo sauce as well. And then for our dessert offerings, we do have our mini lattice pie and our strawberry shortcake. Please come enjoy and try.
That is it from Knott's Berry Farm. MonteZOOma, the Forbidden Fortress, officially open now. Do you have memories of the coaster as a kid? One of my favorite roller coasters. It is an American classic. Have you ridden it yet? I know it soft opened the other day and many of you have already been on it, so put it down in the comments what you thought. And you can own a piece of it too. Starting August 22nd, that piece of the track will be available for sale with that collectible plaque in that really cool looking box that'll be for sale over there at the little gift shop kiosk near the entrance to Jaguar. So own a piece of history, ride the new coaster here at Knott's, and we'll be back in just a few days for Nightmares Revealed, and we'll tell you everything coming to this year's Scary Farm. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, follow us on social media, and let us know down in the comments about MonteZOOma. We'll see you soon. Bye.